Click Library, Background, and select a black background. Click Overlay, Library, Green Screen, and select this paperball transition. Click Green Screen and click Reverse. Click Background, Chroma Key, and place the chroma key onto the green and increase intensity to 80. Click Overlay and add an image and make sure the subject fills the screen, making it easier for background removal. Click Remove Background and remove background. Click Image, Splice, and select Overlay. Click Green Screen, adjust and reduce the brightness to 30. Make all videos the same duration. Make sure nothing is clicked. Click Effect, Video Effects, Cartoon, and select Black Comic 2 and click Adjust and Reduce to 50. Click the effect, Object, and select the image. Click Effects, Video Effects, search Shake and select Camera Shake and reduce speed to 10. Click the effect, Object, and select all videos and export. Add previous clip to a video by clicking Overlay. Click Previous Clip, Background, and remove background. Click Stroke, Straight Stroke, and reduce size to 1. Add paper crumbling audio and export. Follow for more Capcut edits.